Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing a unique method of finding percentage. Now let us start the video. Okay, now we will take a number and we will find out the different percentages of that number. Now as we know very well, the number which we have taken, that is 20, and as you know very well that 20 is one of the multiples of 2, is one of the multiple of 2. So all you have to do is just to remember the multiples of 2, like 2 1 times is equals to 2, 2 2 times is equals to 4, 2 3 times is equals to 6, and so on and so forth. So this is how we will find out the different percentages of the number 20. Now if someone asks you that what is the 10% of 20, so how you are going to find out? Now see, as we know that the first multiple of uh, 2 is 2. Okay, so the 10% of 20 will be 2. Fine. The second multiple of 2 is 4, so the 20% of 20 will be 4. The third multiple of 2 is 6, so 30% of 20 will be 6. The fourth multiple of 2 is 8, so the 40% of 20 will be 8. The fifth multiple of 2 is 10, so 50% of 20 will be 10. The sixth multiple of 2 is 12, so 60% of 20 is 12. The seventh multiple of 2 is 14, so the 70% of 20 will be 14. Eighth multiple of 2 is 16, so 80% of 20 will be 16. Similarly, the ninth multiple of 2 is 18, so the 90% of 20 will be 18. The last multiple of 2, usually we read the table of multiples of 2 up to 20. So the 100% of 20 will be 20. So this is how we can find out the different percentages of any number. Fine. So now let us take another example. You can go through this particular example. In this example we have taken the number 3, the number 30, and as we know that 30 is one of the multiples of 3. 3 10 times is equals to 30. In one column I have been mentioning the multiples, and in other column I have mentioned the different percentages of number 30. Now all you have to do is just to remember the multiples of 3. First multiple of 3 is 3, so 10% of 30 will be 3. Second multiple is 6, so 20% of 30 will be 6. 30% of 30 will be 9. 40% of 30 will be 12. 50% of 30 will be 15. 60% of 30 will be 18. 70% of 30 will be 21. 80% of 30 will be 24. 90% of 30 will be 27, and the 100% of 30 will be 30. I have also given two more examples in this video. You can go through those examples. All you have to do is just to remember the multiples of 3. Okay, now the next example is of 40. Fine. So now the last example. Now in this example we will be finding out different percentages of uh, 500. Now as we know that 500 is one of the multiples of number 50. Fine. So the 10% of 500 will be 50, the 20% will be 100, the 30% of 500 will be 150, the 40% of 500 will be 200, the 50% of 500 will be 250, 60% of 500 will be 300, 70% of 500 will be 350, 80% of 500 will be 400, 90% of 500 will be 450, and 100% of 500 will be 500. Okay, so it is a very unique method of finding out the percentages of different numbers. It is a very easy method. Okay, I hope you have learned a lot in this video, and if you have liked my video, then I will be thankful to you. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you.